In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your website approved for Google AdSense in 10 steps. By the end, you'll know exactly what Google looks for, how to prepare your site, and what to do if your first attempt doesn't go through. Start with the foundation, content. Google approves sites that are original, helpful, and clearly written for humans. Aim to publish 10 to 15 solid articles before you apply, and keep each post in the 800 to 1200 word range. Depth and usefulness matter more than volume. If you're using AI to draft, make sure you edit heavily so the final result is genuinely human first. Next, choose a niche that's AdSense friendly. Tutorials, education, tech, blogging, finance, and lifestyle all work well, though finance demands extra quality and trust. Steer clear of restricted topics like adult content, gambling, pirated downloads, and anything that violates copyright. Staying in a safe niche speeds up approval and protects your account long term. Make sure your site includes the essential pages. A privacy policy is non-negotiable. Missing it can lead to instant rejection. Also add an about page and a contact page so visitors and reviewers know who's behind the site and how to reach you. Terms and conditions are recommended for extra credibility. Focus on user experience. Use a clean navigation menu, organize your categories, fix broken links, and ensure everything is easy to read on mobile. Google evaluates how real users experience your site, not just the words on the page. Clear headings, readable fonts, and fast-loading images all help. Use a custom domain. A domain like yourwebsite.com looks more professional and generally increases approval odds compared to free subdomains, which can be approved but tend to face more scrutiny. Before applying, prune low-quality content. Remove thin posts under 500 words, delete copied or lazily rewritten material, and get rid of placeholder pages. Quality always beats quantity. Confirm your site is publicly accessible. Avoid coming soon screens, passwords, or under construction notices, and allow search engines to index your pages. A quick test is to open your site in an incognito window. Follow AdSense policies closely. Avoid clickbait and misleading claims. Don't use copyrighted images or videos, and don't overload pages with affiliate links. When in doubt, use royalty-free or properly licensed visuals. When you're ready, apply. Visit Google AdSense, click Get Started, add your site URL, place the code on your site, and request a review. Approval usually takes a few days to 2 weeks. If you're rejected, don't panic. Read the reason carefully, improve your content and structure, wait a week or two, and apply again. Many sites are approved on the second or third attempt.